Hey guys, it's Karen Merrow. Welcome to the channel. In today's video, we're going to be talking about email marketing for beginners, specifically in affiliate marketing. If this is your first time to the channel, welcome. This channel is all about building a business online, affiliate marketing, how to make money from home. And if you're returning to the channel, thank you. I appreciate your support. So let's go ahead and get into the content. Again, this is email marketing for beginners in affiliate marketing. So it's super important that when you are an affiliate marketer that you don't send people just to an offer, because when you build your email list, most people don't buy on the first try that you're trying to sell to them. So probably 90% of people will not buy on the first exposure, and so you need to have a way to follow up with these prospects, and that's going to be through email marketing. It's super, super powerful. And I'm going to go through 9 tips for success with email marketing. These are in no particular order. I couldn't think of a 10th one at the moment, but if I do another time, I'll make another video. And again, these are in no sort of in order, but okay. So the first thing you want to do is to choose an email autoresponder. Now there's several out there. There's Aweber, MailChimp, and GetResponse. GetResponse is what I use and what I recommend. It's just easy to use, but any of these are good. And as you progress more, you may want to go to something like Kartra that has a lot of different features. The next thing you want to do is create your lead magnet. Now this is something that you give away for free in exchange for someone's email address. And you want to make it something really good, something of high quality, because that's just an expression of the kind of things that you do, like you give a lot of value. So one of the things you can do is to create an ebook, totally free. And the website you can go to do this is called canva.com. And so completely free, you can make an ebook. You want to make it pretty long, something that is really gives a lot of information, is of good value. The second thing you could do for a lead magnet is to create a course for free. So maybe you want to create a mini course on affiliate marketing or whatever your niche is in. And you can do that, again, completely free. You go to teachable.com and it'll walk you through exactly how to create a course there. Okay, the next thing, number 3, is you want to create a lead capture page. So that's where you tell them about what you're offering for free in exchange for their email address. And I use ClickFunnels for that. That's probably the top company used to create lead capture pages, but also, as I was mentioning before, Kartra is another email autoresponder, but it also has where you can build lead capture pages, so that may be something you want to check out as well. I use ClickFunnels. Number 4 is you want to create a follow-up series. So as someone opts in, of course, in day 0, you're going to send them what you promised to give them. You're going to have a link to that in your first email that goes out. That's going to be your follow-up series. And then you want to have at least 6 more days where you're following up to them to make sure they got what they wanted, and just following up with the other email series related to that same offer that you're starting out with. And then down the road, of course, you may have other offers that are congruent with that offer, meaning like you're solving the same problem that they're opting into your email list to solve. Okay, so then after that, you can send out broadcast emails of value. So that's just an email that you send out to your whole list at once. Now, some people will recommend that you email your list daily. You may want to start out with a little bit less, maybe 3 to 5 times a week, and then work up to daily emails. What you want to do is make sure that 80% of those emails are just pure value, and 20% would be selling. Because put yourself in their position. When you opt into someone's email list and every single email they send out is they are pitching you something, that's not an email list that I want to stay on. I want to stay on someone's email list where I receive value from being on their list. So that's just a good rule of thumb. And number 6 is, you might ask yourself, well, what am I going to email my list? Well, a way to get ideas for that is to opt into other marketers' email list to get ideas and inspiration on what you should send in your own emails. And what you can do, or what I do, is I keep like a file of each person's emails, so they're all like in one spot. And you want to look at like the headlines that really catch or the subject line that really catch your attention, because that's really important. If you will, they may get your email, but if they don't open them up, it doesn't do you any good. So you want to have some really good subject lines, and so you can get ideas from other marketers on what they send in their emails, and also what their subject line is to get people to open up their emails. This is like really very, very helpful. Number 7 is you want to create trust with them by letting them get to know you on other platforms. And basically why they opted into your list in the first place is because they had some sort of problem. And so you're going to continue to solve their problems and share the solution through your YouTube channel. So you can make a video about maybe some problem that your list has, and then send that out as a broadcast email. Or you could do like a Facebook Live and have a lot of valuable information in that, and then send that out as in your email broadcast. Or if you have a blog, you can write a blog post, have a lot of valuable information on the blog post, send it out to your list. And that way they're going to get to know you. They're going to get to know that you really aren't just there to sell them something, you really do care about them, and you really want to help them solve their problems. And by sending them to your other platforms, they really get to know you. For example, this is my Facebook profile here, and you can see that, and that's my dog there, and my Mastiff is my baby. And just, you get to know a lot about people, like what they post. Like I post books that I recommend, and then this is my Instagram. I'm going to be working on building this up. I have some really great strategies that I just learned. I'm going to be doing that in the next few months, so I'm going to be sharing with you exactly how I do that. But when people see what you're all about, they get to know you, they like you and trust you, and those are the people that will buy from you. And in your number 8, in your autoresponder, you want to make sure that you separate your list of prospects from buyers. So you definitely don't want to continue to send out autoresponder series or broadcasts to people who have already bought from you. That's kind of not good. So you definitely want to segment your list into different prospects from buyers. And number 9 is super important. You want to make sure that you have a custom email address to increase your deliverability. So you don't want to have your message being sent from your email address that's a Gmail or Yahoo or anything like that, because it's not going to be delivered to them. It'll go to their spam. So what you want to do is you have GoDaddy, where you're going to have your domain name. So my domain name is KarenMarrow.com. So with each domain you can create an email. So my email is Karen@KarenMarrow.com, and that's where my emails come from in my autoresponder. So those are going to be delivered, as opposed to if I sent it from my Gmail account. So that's really, really important, because you want these emails to actually go to your list when you send them out. So these are my 9 tips for email marketing for beginners in affiliate marketing. And if you receive value from this video, go ahead and give me a thumbs up, give me a like, and subscribe to my channel if you want to receive videos like this on a regular basis. I'm going to be uploading these on a very frequent basis and providing you with value and teaching you how to build an affiliate marketing business from scratch, from start to finish. And check out the links below this video to learn more about how to build your affiliate marketing business. And if you have any questions or comments, I'd love to hear from you. So that's it for this video. This is Karen Marrow signing off. We'll see you in the next video. Bye.